The spell is a basic essential to witchcraft, like cheese is to macaroni. In our fast-paced world, time is of the essence. The modern witch does not have time in her busy day to do all the boring, time-consuming work that traditionally goes into casting a spell. Modern witches have become accustomed to time-saving devices such as something called Google. There are smartphones, fast food, and anything your heart desires provided instantly at the touch of a button. Fast is the name of the game. So just like you, when Wanda West works a spell, she wants instant results. Say hello, Wanda. Wanda will be trying out a spell from the Instant Magic range. What spell would it be today, Wanda? Rapid Results Love Spell. Manifest the lover of your dreams in the microwave in less than 5 minutes. Well, well, Wanda. Looking to trap a poor unsuspecting Joe and have little witch babies then? Well, enough of the chit-chat. We have a spell to do. Let's look at the instructions, shall we? Rapid Results Love Spell. Takes all the work out of finding and keeping a compatible partner. First, open the packet. Easy. Sprinkle the patented love mixture into the microwave-proof dish. Add 1 cup of water. Mix. Yes, that's good enough. Place in the microwave and cook for 3 minutes on stun. Take out of the bowl and allow to cool for 1 minute. And there you have it. Now you should see results in 3, 2, 1. Go get 'em, tiger. Wanda. Wanda. Hey, witch, wake up. Yes, it was all a dream, Wanda. No, he isn't in there. Or in there. Silly Wanda. Did you think that was going to work? What? That you could get a man, the man of your dreams, and live happily ever after, without any effort or work on your part? Where did you get that idea, Wanda? Wanda West, what would Mother say? Yes. Make a plan that can work without magic, then use magic to make sure that it works. That's right, Wanda. So let's see, instead of doing the work that goes into practicing witchcraft and spellcraft, what have you been doing? I see. I've heard it all before. Doing the foundation work is hard and boring, and why do I have to do it? Because I had a psychic reading and they told me I was a powerful witch in a previous life. Now, Wanda, that may be true, and you were a powerful witch in a previous life, and the psychic was not just pandering to your ego, but how do you think that happened? How do you think you became so powerful? Did you say some mystical incantation from an old spell book that gave you your powers? No. You would have spent time studying, learning about nature, herbs, meditating, completing focus exercises, and doing the mundane things that help a spell along. A spell will not and cannot do all the work for you. You must work with the spell in order for it to manifest. And you must also give it time. So Wanda, Why do you think that this plastic microwave spell was going to work? I see. But you understand that's not how magic works or witchcraft works, don't you? Let's put it this way. Do you think that if you wanted to become a surgeon, then all you had to do was read a copy of Grey's Anatomy and then you're done? People will be lining up for you to remove their appendix, or the top hospitals will be knocking on your door. No, it takes work, study, practice, commitment, discipline. Why should witchcraft be any different? No problem, Wanda. Anyone can do a spell, witch or not, but it takes a special ingredient that is not written in the spell books or in the ready-made spells. What do you think that is, Wanda? Come on now, Wanda. Surely you would have worked it out by now. The special ingredient, the one that ensures success or failure. No? It's you. Your time, your energy, your commitment. What you put into a spell is what you're going to get out of it, Wanda. Not that hard after all, hey, Wanda? So, what do you say? Let's go cast a real spell, shall we?
If you like this video and want to see more, please click on the links provided. If you think this witchcraft thing may be for you, please subscribe. Blessed be.